traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro dollar daily, monthly that is, I mean, it definitely looks like a double three pattern to me. It looks like three waves down, it looks like three waves up, and then five waves down before we actually do end up continuing back up. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is where you a little more clearly see this. Now, I know that this is a much higher high right here, but this is definitely three waves up right here. So impulsive down, three waves up, impulsive down. So that's your first three waves. 1, 2, 3 waves up for another three-wave pattern. Now we are likely in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave pattern to the downside, which I would expect to probably go down at least to the 50% before we do make that bigger move to the upside. Heading down to the daily time frame, I think we are very obvious in a wave 3 right now. I think this is a 1, this is a 2. I believe we are in a wave 3. Most wave 3s do go to around 161% of wave 1 projected out the top of wave 2, and we're only at about 100% right now, so I think we have a lot of downside potential left. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, the trend is down for me unless it goes up and breaks this high right here. If it breaks that high, then I'll definitely turn back into a buyer. Otherwise, I'm looking at any move I see to the upside is likely just a correction to the last wave down. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on there, and we're definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, as long as it doesn't break this high right here, I would definitely be looking at any moves I see to the upside as nothing more than a correction to the last impulsive move down. So I would assume that this first move up is an A. I think this is probably a B. I would expect it to at least go to the 50 to 61%, maybe something like that for a wave C. Now, if it does decide to go up and break this high right here, I definitely will turn back into a buyer. But as long as it does not break that high, I would be looking at this move right here as likely just a correction. I'd be looking for three waves up. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. If this really is a wave 3 on the higher time frames, which it looks like it is, then this is probably going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs on like the 1 to 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.